We got 223. This is Hornady. Soft point, 55 grain. We are doing a simulated headshot. That's right. On a deer at roughly 100 yards. We're going to pop it with this, and we're going to see how well it does on that headshot. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah. All right, here you go. As you can see, this is our simulated deer head right here. We have a very mature buck. We're going to just take a pop at it with the 223 and see what kind of head simulation shot we get. All right, 223, Hornady, soft point, 55 grain, 100 yards, simulated headshot on a deer. Smoky Oak style. Well, son of a bitch. We blew the nose off that one. Obviously, the jug and the jeans and everything behind it was not lined up properly with the head, so that's why the shot was taken there. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So we definitely going in had some blowback coming back. There's no doubt. And we got a nice clean hole through it. That's a 223 55 grain right there. Some fold over. Oh, that smells good. We're gonna get some wild papayas eventually growing out here. Yeah, we got enough to take back to the table and take a look at, so we'll go ahead and do that. What we got going on is after that simulation headshot y'all seen, that's what we had left of the bullet there that blew through, that was caught. So that is not too shabby right there. I mean, it's obvious separation. This is going to be wider than the lid. That looks like that's more than half an inch. Well, I mean, it is more than half an inch, but I figured that was a lot more than that. Wow. Yeah. So there you go, a little over half an inch. What do we got left of the 55 grain? And we got 30. So I mean, that's still a good chunk of the bullet. More than 50% of the bullet is remaining intact-ish. So it's not too bad. Like I said, these are not, if you're hunting with 223 and just can't find something that works, this is something to give a try right here. Is the Hornadys. Not too bad at all. Definitely a neck shooting bullet. Like I said, with that hole going through, as y'all seen, that's what it's going to do to the neck. Just not on that scale. It's going to be a little bit smaller. It's going to blow a hole through the neck. I've seen these blow holes through the neck like that, where you can see, well, you can't really see through it, but the hole on the other side is as big as this outer ring going on the back side of it. So these are definitely rock solid neck breakers. I mean, you do your own. If you want to do the shoulder shots and everything else like that, it's fine. But I mean, if you're using a 223, I would just take this and go for the neck, because you're going to make a hole like that on the outside of the neck. You're going to snap that neck and it's going to drop right on the spot. So there you go. Thanks for watching.